Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic and heartbreaking moments in Japanese history, the Battle of Shiroyama in 1877. This isn't just any battle, it's the tragic final stand of the samurai. A clash between a disappearing ancient way of life and a rapidly modernizing Japan. Get ready for a story of honor, loyalty, and incredible courage that echoes through time. Now in Japan in the late 19th century, the Edo period has ended, and the Meiji Restoration is in full swing, pushing the country towards westernization at lightning speed. This meant big changes. The feudal system was out, and with it, the privileged status of the samurai. For centuries, these warriors lived by a strict code, their swords a symbol of their very identity. But now, they were being asked to lay down their blades and embrace a new world. Not everyone was ready for that. Our central figure in this epic tale is Saigō Takamori. Often called the last true samurai, he was a powerful and respected leader who initially supported the Meiji Restoration but grew increasingly disillusioned with the pace and nature of the reforms, especially how they impacted the samurai class. He believed the government was losing its way, abandoning traditional Japanese values for Western influence. When the government effectively abolished the samurai class and their stipends, it ignited a deep resentment, especially in his home region of Satsuma. This simmering discontent finally boiled over into what became known as the Satsuma Rebellion. Saigō, reluctantly perhaps, found himself leading thousands of disaffected samurai against the new Imperial Army. It was a stark contrast, the traditional force armed with swords and outdated firearms against a modern, conscripted army equipped with the latest rifles, artillery, and even ironclad ships. The odds were stacked heavily against the samurai from the start. The rebellion raged for months, but eventually, Saigō and his remaining loyal samurai were cornered on Shiroyama Hill, overlooking the city of Kagoshima. By this point, their numbers had dwindled to a mere few hundred, facing an imperial army of tens of thousands. Meticulously prepared for a final assault, it was September 24, 1877. The imperial forces bombarded the hill relentlessly with artillery through the night, leaving the samurai with almost no chance of survival. As dawn broke, the imperial army launched its final charge. What happened next is etched into legend. The remaining samurai, knowing their end was near, didn't retreat. They charged down the hill, swords drawn, directly into the gunfire of the modern army. It was a desperate, awe-inspiring display of Bushidō, the samurai code of honor, courage, and loyalty unto death. Saigō Takamori, gravely wounded, is said to have performed seppuku, ritual suicide, to maintain his honor, or was perhaps helped by a trusted subordinate, marking the end of the rebellion and, symbolically, the samurai era. The Battle of Shiroyama wasn't just a military defeat, it was the poignant end of an age. The sacrifice of Saigō and his samurai left a lasting impact on Japan. They became a powerful symbol of unwavering dedication and the tragic beauty of fighting for what you believe in, even when faced with overwhelming odds. Their story reminds us of the importance of honor and conviction, and how difficult it can be to navigate times of rapid change. While the samurai class vanished, their spirit, their values of discipline, loyalty, and respect continued to influence Japanese culture in countless ways. It's a testament to their enduring legacy that over a century later, we still talk about the last samurai. What an incredible and moving piece of history, right? It truly shows us the power of conviction and the human spirit in the face of immense change. If you found this story as fascinating as I did, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.